guys, welcome back to another YouTube video, and in today's video we're going to be working on Tom's i30N again, and today we're going to be tinting these two rear lights and rear reflectors, so it's going to be all blacked out. And yeah, it's just a quick one. I'm going to be trying this for the first time, just tinting both lights, and then it should be all looking nice and dark. Get rid of all the red on the back, and yeah, so let's just jump straight into it. We're going to be using just some normal tint film, just sticking it on. So I'll show you how to do the first one, and we'll get on to the second one. So then guys, as you can see, me and Tom have given it as a first attempt. Obviously it looks way better because it's black, and you can't really tell that bad on camera, but there is a few imperfections. If I get close to it, you can see like a few little creases, but obviously this is our first time doing this. It's down here, there's a few creases as well. But we're going to leave that one like that for now. We're going to try this side, and then if we can get that side better, we'll do all the others, and then we'll come back to that first one and get it to match, so they're all smooth. But for now we're just going to leave it like that because we don't want to use all the tint. But yeah, we'll go on to this side. The way we're doing it is we're not using any spray liquid, we're just peeling the back off, heating it up, sticking it down in section by section, and then smoothing it all out. It's quite hard to show you because we're both doing it at the same time, but I'll try to do step by step on one of them. And yeah, let's get on to the next one. So guys, as you can see, we're just cutting it out now around the reflector. Following the body line around the bend. Making that groove a little bit more defined. So as you can see, we've got this bottom bit stuck on, all nice and smooth. We've peeled up only half of the rear side of the sticky, and we're just working it all the way around. It's pretty difficult, but we're just stretching it, squeegeeing it out, and then moving on to the next section. So I'll get this flat bit, bottom bit done, and then we'll move on to the higher up bit where there's a bit more groovature in the light. So then guys, as you can see, we've now done one light. It's looking nice and smooth. We are going to redo this centre one just because of the creases that I showed you before, but we've done that one now. We've done the reflector, and obviously you can see the difference. We'll be probably getting the Hyundai and the i30N blacked out too. But yeah, we're just going to do this one with a quick. And as you can see, we've done the left and the right side now. Just going to get these Hyundai badges off, and we've got a black i30 and a black N badge to stick on. And the rear end of this car will be fully blacked out. Just need a Maxton Design diffuser, side skirts and front splitter, and then the car's complete, and it'll be the best one around. So yeah, let's get on to the badges. So then guys, we're back with the i30N, and now we're going to be taking off the Hyundai and the i30N badges, and we're going to be replacing the i30N with gloss black ones, but obviously leaving the Hyundai one off. These are the badges that we got. Obviously they're all separate, so we're going to have to tape it up and just make sure we get it all perfect. But yeah, this is how it looks now, and obviously we're going to be blacking these out, so I'll show you the process on that. So you know the score with these, we've already heated it up, they're all a bit loose, then you just get a little thin bit of anything really behind it and just scrape the glue out. And if you need a bit more heat, you can get a bit more heat on it. As you can see, that AI has come off. Just put it on there. I'm going to put a bit more heat on that D now, just because it's gone back in a bit. So as you can see, Hyundai is now off, so now I'm going to get my glue remover and just get it on all this shit so we can get it all off, but it might just come off easy anyway. So yeah, I'll take this off and then we'll start on the finish off on the M badge. So as you can see, just like Leesy's car, we've taped all around the original badges because we're trying to get them perfectly in the same space. We're just going to eyeball these gaps between them. Obviously these ones are basically touching, but then that one has got a bit of a gap, but we've got the edges on anyway. So we'll just measure it off them. And then yeah, we'll stick it all on. So as you can see, we've got them all separate from the tape now. I'll just take off the backing thing and then just whack them all on. Car's all clean. If I just click that, you can see all clean, both sides off. So yeah, we'll get sticking these on now. So as you can see, we've stuck the first one on now. So we're going to move on to the 3 now. And then it'll be done. So as you can see, we've got the N here. We're just going to stick it up on the little lines we've got for guiders. So I did this one right to the bottom of the N, and this one was just at the top of the N. As you can see, the black badge is now complete, and we'll just remove the tape and show you what it looks like. So then guys, as you can see, badges are all on, lights are all tinted, and that's going to be it for today's video. In the next video we're going to be fitting some of the Maxton kit along the bottom, but yeah, that's it for now. So thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one on the i30N. Like and subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one.